Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Making air fryer bacon is so easy. Enjoy crisp and evenly cooked bacon in under 10 minutes with the easiest cleanup. If you crave for crispy bacon, then this recipe is for you. I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you all, so stay with me till the end. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more instant pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and instant pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy, healthy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to cook bacon in the air fryer. All we need is bacon. I have taken 5 pieces of bacon. First, preheat the air fryer for 390 Fahrenheit for 2 minutes. Mine preheats itself, so I'm just selecting the time as 8 minutes. Place the bacon strips in a single layer in the air fryer basket or tray. Cut strips in half if needed to fit more, or you can twist the bacon like this. Preheating is done. Place a piece of bread in the drain pan to suck all the fat releases from bacon. It will help to reduce the mess in the drain pan. Keep the tray on the top shelf. Air fry the bacon at 390 Fahrenheit for 8 minutes or until bacon is brown and reaches desired crispiness. Here is a quick tip. Air fry the regular cut bacon for 7 to 9 minutes. Air fry thick cut bacon for 10 to 12 minutes. Every air fryer is different. Adjust the time and temperature according to your air fryer. I am using the silicone mat to avoid mess in my air fryer glass door. I have given the link in the description box below. If you need one, please do check it. It's done. Look at that. Perfectly cooked bacon in the air fryer. Lovely color, right? So crispy and yum. Do try this air fried bacon. Trust me, you won't do it again on the stovetop. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.